most people get this wrong. When their card stops working, they assume it is a permanent issue. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is ignoring simple account or payment problems that cause most failures. In this video, we are breaking down how to fix the OpenSky card not working in 2026 step by step, so you can get back to using your card without stress. Let's start with the basics. The OpenSky secured Visa credit card can stop working for a few common reasons, and most of them are not permanent. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most users like Alex think the card is broken, but in reality, it is usually a simple issue like payment failure, account restriction, or merchant decline. But here's the problem most people overlook. They try random fixes without checking the real cause first. That wastes time and can make the situation more confusing. So let's go step by step. First, check your payment status. If Jake missed a payment or has a pending balance issue, the card may temporarily stop working. Even one late or failed payment can trigger restrictions. Second, check available credit. If your balance is too close to your limit, transactions can get declined. This is one of the most common reasons people think the card is broken. Third, verify account status. Log into your OpenSky account and make sure there are no alerts, freezes, or verification requests waiting for action. Now here's a key detail most beginners miss. Sometimes the card works online but fails in stores, or works for small purchases but not larger ones. That usually points to merchant type restrictions or security flags, not a broken card. In a minute, I'll show you a quick reset method that clears most temporary transaction issues without needing customer support. Now let's talk about technical issues. If your card is declined at multiple places, it could also be a network or authorization issue. In that case, try using a different merchant or wait a few minutes before retrying. Also check your card details carefully. Wrong expiration date, CVV, or billing address mismatches can cause instant declines even if everything else is fine. Another important step is app or system updates. Sometimes outdated app data can cause display issues where it looks like the card is not working, even though it is active. So what should you actually do? Start with payments, then check credit limit usage, then verify account status, and finally test transactions again with small purchases. Let's make it simple. Most OpenSky card issues are not permanent failures. They are temporary restrictions, payment issues, or simple verification problems. Let's summarize everything clearly. If your OpenSky card is not working in 2026, it is usually due to payment status, credit limit usage, account restrictions, or simple input errors. Fixing these step by step solves most problems without needing a replacement card. If this helped you fix your OpenSky card issue, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit card troubleshooting guides like this.